Because I know that not all students are familiar with D2L, which is Delaware Tech's Learning Management System, I do like to do a quick tour through the course at the beginning of the semester to help students get oriented and figure out how to navigate through the material quickly and easily. So I'm going to go ahead and open up one of the course home pages for you so that you guys can tour along with me. The first thing to know is that if you click on the course at the top of the page, it will take you to this course entry point, and whatever most recent announcements there are will show up right here for you. So if you ever need to check the most current announcements, this is the best way to do it. If you go into tools and announcements, it may not show you the most recent one if you've already dismissed it. So you can try both of those tools to make sure that you're getting the most recent announcement. Anyway, you can always just click on the course name at the top of the screen. In order to get to the actual course material, like what you need in order to complete this course, you're going to want to click on Content on the left-hand side. And the course is arranged in a series of modules over here on the left. So there's a Getting Started module that has 24 items in it. There's an APA module, an Information Literacy module, and then 4 unit modules, which is where most of the course content is located. As you click into each module, you'll see sub-modules. So under the Getting Started module, there is Syllabus, Schedule, and Policies folder, a folder of instructor information, a folder for resources, and first week tasks. So you can click into any of these folders and it will bring the information up for you. I do want to point out something that sometimes students don't realize. If you are looking at the module, Getting Started, and you scroll down, you can see the content that's in the subfolders. But what you don't see is things like due dates or descriptions. So just to show you here, all you see here is the link for the course schedule. But if you actually click into that folder, Syllabus, Schedule, and Policies, then when you look at the course schedule, there is a whole description here along with some additional links and other information that might be useful. So just be aware that the amount of information that you see increases as you get as you sort of like narrow down your search and you look at things more specifically, if that makes sense. I hope so. Within each one of the units, you will find information on the writing assignments. So for each writing assignment, we provide you with a set of guidelines. There's usually a PowerPoint that has some tips and hints for completing the assignment. There is a brainstorming activity. There's usually, this is a sample planner and a sample paper. A rubric, which will help you understand what I'll be grading you on, and then there are links to submit, and we'll talk about those submission links in another video. But in each unit, you'll see the writing assignment. You will see a link to critical thinking information, which is the lecture portion of the course. This section has PowerPoints and study guides and Quizlets, and in some cases videos for you to watch. You will also find in some units that there's a skills assessment assignment that you need to complete, and you will also find that the quizzes for the lecture material are also posted in these sub-modules under the units. So hopefully that will help you find your way through the course. Over here on the left-hand side, you can navigate through the material this way. I would also want to offer you 2 quick tips to help you get the most out of D2L. First is that you can bookmark items that you use frequently. For example, if we go into the course schedule and you think that this is something that you're going to want to use frequently, which you are, you can click this little button up here on the top and make sure that it's highlighted and that it's filled in so that you can add a bookmark. If you do that, what it does is it creates a bookmark here under Bookmarks. So you can immediately get to it without having to dig through all of these links on the left-hand side to try and find it. So anything that you think that you're going to use a lot, you can bookmark. Another quick tip has to do with the announcements. I'll post announcements every week, and you can get notifications for them by going up here to your profile, going to notifications, and choosing to receive notifications anytime a new announcement is posted. So I apologize if that is repetitive information. I think it might show up in another one of these videos. Sorry about that. But hopefully that helps you navigate through the course. And if you get stuck, or if you're not sure where something is, or you can't find something, please don't hesitate to reach out and let me know. I'll be happy to do my best to answer your questions.